Manhuyud is a second-class municipality in the province of Negros Oriental, Philippines. According to 2010 census, it has a population of 41,107 people. Manhuyud is politically subdivided into 27 barangays. Tourist attraction in Manhuyud include the Aroma Beach Resort, Himampangon Cave, a natural rock formation, the White Sand Bar, a narrow 7-kilometer strip of white beach sand, and the Candabong Forest. There are many species living in the Candabong Forest, which is protected by the government. Festival Saint Francis of Assisi is the patron saint of Manhuyud, and his feast day is celebrated annually October 4 with the town fiesta. The fiesta is an official non-working holiday. Experience the fullness of life where gentle breeze hail the rise of the morning sun. Relax, enjoy, and spend your days to the fullest.
Halatang Pilipino ka, abot langit ang iyong ngiti, lahi ng masasaya. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit palalayo? Sobrang swerte kaya ng tsinelas mo.
We are currently here in Capuyo, Aroma Beach Resort, one of the local treasures of the Manhuyud, Negros Oriental. We are here to conduct an interview and to witness how beautiful Aroma is.
Ng Pilipino.
Kinsay founder aning Aroma Beach Resort?
Ang founder Judani, silang Mr. and Mrs. Danila C. Acabal.
Kuno sa gisugdan ang pag-manage ang resort?
Sang 2000, gasugod ni og develop ang 2000 sa April, and then nagsugod jud ni sila og dawat sa customer is October.
Kuno sa gisugdan ang pag-manage ang resort?
Sa year 1999, gisugdan ni siya og develop by April, and then nagsugod ni og dawat sa customer October 1999.
Kinsay kag-meet na mo bisita or mo visit aning Aroma Beach Resort?
Kalagmitan mo bisita din sila ng mga Pinoy kay doon sa diri, pero kadaghanan po na mo mga foreigner na lain-lain mga kuan siya.
Kati-kati na ba ang iyong mga paa?
Bibingka is a type of rice cake native to the Philippines. This is traditionally made from galapong, milled glutinous rice, coconut milk, margarine, and sugar. During dawn masses on Christmas season, side street vendors are a common sight preparing and selling this delicious rice cake along with puto bongbong. The traditional way of cooking bibingka is unique and quite time-consuming. The mixture is poured in a clay pot lined with pre-cut banana leaf. A special clay oven known as bibingka oven is needed to bake this rice cake. The clay pot is placed between the layers of the bibingka oven, and lit charcoals, locally known as uling, are placed below and above the clay pot to evenly cook the mixture.
Nandito ng lahat, saan pa pupunta? Malalim ang dagat at mababaw ang ligaya. Halatang Pilipino.
Unsay kalagmitang isda ninyong makuha dire ning Dalaga?
Isang isdaan, anduhaw, malangse,
Unsa
ilain ba?
unsa na ninyo karon? Ano ra ba or ibaligya mo? Nya kanang mga magdagkog balon. Kuan managan man ako mana. Sige, salamat kon.
It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit malalayo? Sobrang swerte kaya ng tsinelas mo. Nakatapa ka sa paraiso. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bakit malalayo? Mula Batanes hanggang Mulo, iba ang Nandito ng lahat, saan pa pupunta? Malalim ang dagat at mababaw ang ligaya. Halatang Pilipino ka, abot langit ang iyong